everyone, good morning. Hope that you all are fine and studying very well. I am your Shushmita ma'am, and today we are going to do something very interesting. Guess everyone what we are going to do today? Today we will do an activity related with water. Yes, today we will do one activity related with water. So, kids, I am having some interesting activities for you all, okay? In our last classes, we have already learned about water, its uses and sources, and have some activities also. So now, today, we will again do some activities on water. So, let's begin everyone. Hope that you all will enjoy this activity. So kids, our first activity on water is water has no shape. Yes, water does not have any shape. Yes, you all have learned about many shapes. Circle, square, rectangle, triangle. But water does not have any shape. So let's see how it can happen. Okay. Let's start our activity. Kids, look here. I am having a bowl of water. Now, look here. The water has taken the shape of the bowl. That is circle. Our bowl is circle, so that water is also looking circle in shape. Now, I will pour this water in this glass. Look here, the water has taken the shape of this glass. The water has taken the shape of this glass. Now, I will again pour the water into this cup. Look here everyone, water has taken the shape of this pot. Yes, and again I will pour the water into this bowl. Look here, the shape of the bowl is circle, so that the shape of the water is also circle. Look here, water has no shape. Now, look here, I am having one rectangular box. Now, we will pour the water into this box. Can you tell me what is the shape of the water now? See here, the shape of the water is rectangle. Yes, it has taken the shape of the rectangular box. Hope that now you all have understood. Yes everyone, it makes us clear that water does not have any shape. Water does not have any shape. Very good. Now, let us move to activity number 2. So, kids, now our activity number 2 is water has no color. Yes, water does not have any color. Yes, can this happen? Tell me everyone, water have color or not? Let's see with our activity. Okay. Let's start. Here, in this glass, I am having water and it is very clear, clean and transparent. Okay. Now, see here, I am having a sketch pen with me. Yes, the sketch pen is of orange color. Now, look here and tell me, is this sketch pen, orange sketch pen, visible to you? See here, can you see it? Yes or no? Yes, very good. So the water is transparent and we can see the color behind the glass also. Okay, we have seen that when the water is clean, clear and transparent, everything is visible. Okay. Now, let us add some color into this transparent water. Let us give it some color. I am adding green color. Look here. You can add your any favorite color into the water, okay? Now, can you tell me what is the color of this water? Yes, the color of this water is now green. The color of this water is now green. Now, let us check. Let us see this orange color sketch pen will be visible from this green color water or not. Now, you all tell me, can you see this sketch pen? Yes, can you see this sketch pen? No? Very good. So, that means the color of the water has changed into green because I have added the green color, and earlier the water doesn't have any color. So, if we add any color to the water, it will be no more transparent. Okay, and nothing will be visible from it. Okay, everyone, this proves that water has no color. Water does not have any color. Okay, very good. So kids, now let us move to our activity number 3. Okay, our activity number 3 is floating and sinking activity. You all know floating means জলে ভেসে থাকা. Yes, and sinking means ডুবে যাওয়া. Okay, so now let us see in water which objects float and which objects sink. Okay, let's begin everyone. Look here kids, I am having a bowl of water and I am having some heavy and light objects with me. Now let us see which object will sink and which object will float in water. Okay, let's start. Look here, I am having this crayon. Okay, see here, the crayon is floating in the water. It haven't sinked in it. See here, it is floating so nicely. Yes, very good. Now, I am having a metal spoon with me. Let's see, will it float or sink in water? Look here, the metal spoon have sinked into the water. See here, the metal spoon have sinked into the water. Now, I am having a piece of thermocol with me. Let's see, will it float or sink in water? Look here everyone, it's so magical. The piece of thermocol is also floating in the water. Hope that you all are enjoying it. Now see here, I am having this small hand. Okay, let's see, will it float or will it sink in water? It is also floating in water. See here. Okay, very good. The hand is also floating in water. Now look here kids, I am having this small box with me. Okay, let's see, will it float or not? Look here, it have sinked into the water. Okay, now I am having one plastic spoon with me. Let's see, will it float or sink into the water? Look here everyone, the plastic spoon is floating in the water while the metal spoon has sinked into the water. Okay, very good. Now look here kids, I am having one small leaf with me. Okay, let's see. Look here, the leaf is also floating in the water. So, hope that you all have enjoyed this activity. Have you done this type of activities before at home? Yes? No? Then try these activities at home, okay? Try it at home and tell me which object is floating and which object is sinking in the water. Okay, everyone? Kids, hope that you all have enjoyed these activities. Yes, try these activities at home. Hope that you all will going to learn something from these activities. Yes, our first activity was water has no shape. Our second activity was water has no color. And our third activity was floating and sinking activity. So kids, do it at home, okay? Take care everyone. Thank you.